What we have here today is a Hamilton pocket watch, grade 916. It is a 12 size pocket watch. And I'm going to take it apart because I haven't cleaned or oiled this one ever. So let's see if we can do this. Okay, I'm going to take the bezel off. Oof. Yeah, got that off. And I'm going to take the hands off. I got my piece of Mylar. I'm going to try to slide underneath the hands. Better position. Okay, I got my trusty hand puller. Let's see if I can do this. Looks like this is. Looks like you gotta move the hands. I'm gonna put the hands at 12. Move the hands. Put this like this then. Let's see, hopefully now it will cooperate. It doesn't look like it. Oh, it did. Okay. And the second hand now. Oh, this one's tricky. This one's low. Oh, I can't get my Mylar in there. I'll have to put it like this. No, it's too low. I got the cameras in the way. I can't get the. Okay, got the second hand off. Yay! Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna put the. Well, put the bezel back on. Got to cut out so it goes one way. Now I work on the other side. I take off the back. And there you see the lovely movement. Yeah, we'll see it before I take it apart. I don't know if you can read any of that. I like the 916 because it's got that text in gold. So let's see, now we're gonna take it out of the, take the case screws out. I should have picked a bigger screwdriver. Yeah, I should have picked a bigger screwdriver. Ah. How come I can't get it to stay in? Crazy. And I don't think this one's, no. No, I'm gonna get a bigger screwdriver because it's futzing around with that other one. Let's see, case screws out. Where'd I put the back? I gotta put the back. And now I gotta take the front off again. I think I'm done taking off the front. And it's easier if you pull the stem out a little bit. And there's the back. Oh. Now if I just oh, of course it doesn't want to come out easily. Usually you just push on it. man. What the heck? Oh, okay, I know why. Holy cow. Why doesn't this... Of course I picked a crappy one that doesn't want to come out. It's coming out a little. Man. The reason this doesn't come out easily is because the case has got a dent in it. If I can stick my finger in there. Fingernail in there. Okay, now it comes out. Now we should try to straighten that out. What do you want for $75? Okay, let's see if we can get the dial off. Now it runs. It wasn't running before, but now it went to the run. Okay, we got dial screws, dial feet screws. We got 3 of them. 1, 2, and where's the 3rd one? There's the 3rd one. Usually 3. Some of the older watches have 4. And now the dial comes off. If I can stick something in there. Of course, oh, I got a pin. Wow. This really doesn't want to cooperate today. Well, I never took this watch apart before, so... I had it off, then it falls back down. Okay, dial's off. It's a metal dial. I guess it would be a single sunk metal dial because it is lower. Made in Switzerland. Whatever that means. Okay, so there we got the... Oh, I got my movement holder. So I got the R wheel. We're going to put this stuff. I'll put this stuff with the hands. Let's see if this wheel wants to come out. No, it wants to stay in, so I'm not going to touch it for now. I would only take it out if it came out easily, because then I'd probably lose it if I left it there. So now I'm going to take off the cannon pinion. Well, that comes off easily. And well, that's it with this side for now. This stuff I'll take off later because it's got springs and I don't want to lose them. Now we flip it over. And, whoops, gotta watch out for that second hand. Now we start moving on the movement side. Where's the big screwdriver? Oh, here's a big screwdriver. This main spring is basically wound down, so I'm going to do all this stuff righty. It's quicker that way. So I take off this thing. Oh no, not the ratchet wheel, I think it's called. Put that there. I'm going to put these case screws back in before the dial screws, before I lose them. I have a feeling if it can be lost, it will be lost. That's all I have to say. Where's the 3rd one? Oh, there it is. You lose these little screws and, you know, I don't know where you're going to get other ones. Okay, so now I'm going to take this. I'm going to use my pen again. See if I can lift this up. Excuse me. Yeah, okay, there was a little tension there on the spring, but not enough to worry about. Yeah, it doesn't look bad. This I'll take off at another time. So now I can take off that plate. Let me find the appropriate screwdriver. Let's try this one. Let's now to tighten this up a little bit. I should have used the other side then. Yeah, great crap. I don't know if you can see that. Ugh. One screw. Two screw. Yeah, I was looking at the government manual to take apart a 4992B, and they do it different. Well, they start at the balance and then they work their way to this plate last, so one of these days I'm going to do it that way. I knew that one was loose, and then this one. Let's see, I thought I unscrewed this one all the way. I guess not. Done. Okay, now this one, they got pry points. At least I think. Yeah, there's one over here. Whoops. And one over here. Oh, of course it falls back down again. And there's this plate. 2 jewels in it, and that's what the underside looks like. Pretty clean. Put that in the container. Okay, I'm going to leave the gears in there for effect. Let's go to the next. Take off this plate next. One. I heard it. I move away from the camera. Okay. Alright, let me get this one container out of the way. Slide in the next one. 1, 2, and pry points. I got one here. Oh, my screwdriver's too big. One here, and I see one over there. So this plate is off, and that's what the other side looks like. They got numbers, serial numbers on all the plates. Probably match. I'll have to find out. Okay, now we do the balance. Oh, this got that bean-shaped thing. Let's see if I can do this. I have to, I'm going to separate the balance from the balance cock, so I gotta loosen these 2 little tiny screws, and I have to where did I put my pen? I lost my pen. Don't worry, I got another one. I always wondered what the heck that does. Let's see if I can slide this thing out. The hairspring stud. There it is. It's free. So now I can take the balance cock off. I don't like to let my hairspring dangle with the balance on it. I mean, that's to me is a no-no. I need another container. Get this container out of the... Well, I'm going to leave that container there. I got to put gears in it. So this comes off. And the balance cock has a pry point. No, it doesn't. No pry point. They got pry points and everything else but this balance cock. So I'm going to come in off to the side here. And it's loose. The more of these I do, the quicker I think I'm going to get. So there's the balance. And it's the underside. Later on, I pop these cap jewels off on the balance to clean them out because they get kind of cruddy in there. All the oil and stuff just sits there. So okay, yeah, for effect, yeah, you got the mainspring barrel, center wheel, third, fourth, and regulator. It's easy. 1, 2, 3, 4 regulator. That's how I remember it. So I can now take some of these wheels off. Well, I'll take this mainspring barrel off. I'll put that with that. And I'm going to take the center wheel off. And I put that with I'll put that with the mainspring barrel. And third wheel. Put that there. And then the fourth one is also the second hand one. And the regulator. And the balance. With a double roller. Double roller. Put that in the container. Now I just gotta take out the pallet fork. Oops, and let me move this back into position. Pallet fork. I gotta. These screws weren't that tight. I can probably get this thing done soon. I'm gonna put this junk with the pallet. I mean with the balance. I won't be able to mix those screws up. Let's see if I can get this off. Easy. Okay. And there's the pallet fork. Oops. Pallet fork. And I think... oh, yeah, I think that's it. This thing I'm going to take out because it always falls out. Oh, where am I going to put that? I'll put that with this stuff. And, let's see, we got the winding and setting stuff. I'm going to take this out. Clean this up. This watch looks pretty clean. And this stuff I'll remove later because there's spring tension and stuff. And that's the empty plate. I did a lot of machining on these things. And the empty plate on the other side. And serial number, and I think that's it. I think I'm done. We'll get this done, and so we'll do a group shot. Let's see if we can do a group shot. Group shot. This microphone cord always gets tangled up. So there's the group shot. We got the plate, and we got all our parts. Not good group shot. And the dial, of course, the dial. And the case. I don't know where I put that. So that's your Hamilton grade 916 watch disassembled. Too much light. Let me get this out of the way. So I'm gonna shut this off soon. Hope you enjoyed the show. I gotta now clean and oil this, and I'll probably have to put this back together. Maybe I'll do that on camera, I don't know yet. So, this watch looks pretty clean, so I shouldn't have much problems with it. Hopefully when I'm done with it, it'll run better. And thank you, and hope you enjoyed the show.